This is a Lionel post-war turbine. These engines were made by Lionel during the post-war era. They were modeled after the real-life Pennsylvania S2 turbine, which was an experimental engine that the Pennsylvania Railroad only made one of. Even though the Pennsylvania Railroad made only one of these engines in real life, Lionel made these by the thousands. The first rolling off the conveyor belt in 1946, and the last being made in 1955. That is almost a decade worth of manufacturing. This turbine is a 2020 turbine. It was one of the first turbines manufactured by Lionel in 1946. These were manufactured between 1946 and 1948. This engine in particular never came with magnet traction and relied solely on its weight, which doesn't mean it's not a good puller. It can pull a very large train. Behind this engine, I have a bunch of cars that would have come with multiple different sets during the time. There are so many variations of sets that it's hard to know exactly what to put behind this engine. One of the many great features of this engine is its smoke unit. This engine smokes a lot. This hefty engine that they produced is probably my favorite engine that Lionel produced in the post-war period. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.